Okay guys, so I'm starting off with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, and I'm just going to prime my eyelids. Now with my Sigma E25 blending brush, I'm going to go into this Colourpop Supershock single shadow. It's a pink color. I don't really know what the name is. Slave to Pink. There we go. That's what it's called. And I'm just going to blend that out on the whole eyelid. Now with my Wet n Wild Mega Liner in Voltage Blue, I'm just going to start creating a basic wing. Now taking my Foccalure Beam Heavy Metallic Eyeliner in Party, I'm just going to start applying that over the blue wing. And in between putting it back into the container, you're going to want to clean off the brush so that it's not putting the blue into the glitter. Now with my NYX Epic Liner in black, I'm just going to start outlining the blue wing as best as I can. I know I was kind of a hot mess at this point, but the wing just was not working out for me right here. I had to kind of go back over the other side because I made this side too thick, but it's okay. It worked out. So yep, now I'm taking my Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm just going to conceal a little bit under my eyes because some of the eyeshadow got on that area of my skin. And I'm just going to use my e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush to blend it all together. Now for the waterline and lower lash line, I'm taking this Hard Candy Stroke of Gorgeous in Wink Wink color, and I'm just going to apply that to the waterline and a little bit below it as well. Now with my Morphe M124 concealer kind of brush, I guess that's what it is, I'm taking the Slave to Pink color, and I'm just going to start smoking out over the blue that I used on the waterline. That way the two colors mesh together and create a nice effect. So I felt like it needed a little bit more blue on the waterline, just a little bit below it. So I added my 24-hour Define Pastel Blue by Kiss and just went under the pink and the other blue I used. Now for the inner corners, I'm taking my City Color Single Shadow in Electric Blue with my Moda Smokey eye brush, and I'm just going to pop that in the inner tear duct area. I did not like the way this eyeshadow smelled. It kind of has a funky smell, but I love the color, so I used it anyways. Now for mascara, I'm taking this Essence Lash Princess. I was introduced to this mascara by I believe that's her name on YouTube. I really like the Essence products because they usually work really great for like the cheap prices that they are. And yeah guys, so this is pretty much the finished electric blue and pink eye look. I hope you like this video, and if you want to see more like it, please like and subscribe below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!